Hello everyone, welcome to Beyond Infinity. Have you ever wondered, how can your voice reach someone sitting miles away, instantly? Whether it's a phone call or a voice message, it feels like magic. But it's not magic, it's science. Let's understand the complete mechanism of how voice travels from your mouth to someone else's ears, even thousands of kilometers away. First things first, what is voice? Your voice is just a form of sound energy, created when your vocal cords vibrate and push air particles in a wave pattern. These sound waves move through the air and hit the microphone of your device, like a mobile phone. This microphone captures those sound waves and converts them into electrical signals using a small component called a transducer. Now, here comes the magic. The electrical signals from your voice are analog signals, but modern communication systems work with digital signals. So, inside your phone, there's a tiny device called an ADC, which stands for Analog to Digital Converter. It converts your analog voice signal into a digital signal, basically a series of zeros and ones that computers and mobile networks can understand. This digital voice signal is now ready to travel. Once digitized, your voice data is sent to a nearby cell tower using radio waves. Radio waves are part of the electromagnetic spectrum, and they travel at the speed of light, nearly 300,000 kilometers per second. That's why it feels instant. The nearby cell tower receives the signal and sends it to a mobile switching center, or the internet server, in case of VoIP apps like WhatsApp. From the switching center, your voice data is routed to the destination. It may travel through optical fiber cables which use light signals, satellite links for far-off areas, or internet routers in case of internet calls. No matter the route, all these systems transfer your data at nearly the speed of light, using highly efficient and automated switching systems. Now your voice data reaches the recipient's local cell tower, and then their phone. The digital signal is received and sent through a DAC, or digital to analog converter. The DAC converts the digital signal back to analog, and the phone speaker uses this analog signal to vibrate a small membrane, recreating your original voice. So, the person hears exactly what you said, almost instantly. So let's summarize the full concept. First, your voice creates sound waves, which are captured by the mic. Then, those sound waves are converted to electrical signals. Next, they're converted to digital signals through an ADC. After that, they're sent via radio waves to cell towers. From there, they're transferred via network systems like cables, satellites, and the internet. Eventually, the data reaches the receiver's phone. It's then converted back to sound using a DAC and speaker. And finally, they hear your voice. All this, believe it or not, happens in just milliseconds. Voice calls use compression algorithms to save space and increase speed. And even a call from Pakistan to America actually travels via undersea fiber optic cables. This whole system is why calls can lag when signals are weak. The digital packets might be delayed. So, next time you make a call, just remember the amazing journey your voice takes. Traveling as waves, electricity, digital codes, and finally, sound again. That's the science of instant voice communication. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing science concepts, only on Beyond Infinity.